guys, I'm here to do another video for you guys, and this time it's not Coach. It is it's actually a Michael Kors tote, and this bag is called the Michael bag. I purchased this bag. It's been a little bit, but anyway, here it is. I got this bag from Macy's. It retails for $98, and I got it for $73.50 because it was some kind of sale they had going on. And here it is. Y'all, this bag is so cute, and it's really tall, but it says Michael Kors right here, and it actually has the emblem right there. And as you can see, it is see-through. So there's the side of it. And some really good hard plastic. Here's the tag. So it's called the Michael bag. Retails for $98, and it's the large NS tote, which means north-south tote. There's the authenticity tag. There's that. And then here's the bottom. And this bag also comes in another color instead of the black. It's like the letters are rainbow, really pretty, and I think the edging is red. The trim is red, if I'm not mistaken, but I know it's not black. But the letters are like a rainbow color, really, really pretty. So let me show you guys this. It's actually, but I bought this bag to take on my cruise with me, and I was going to use it as a beach bag, but I didn't. I end up not taking it because we really didn't even get a chance to enjoy the beach, so I end up not taking it. But here it is, y'all. It is so cute. Just a plain clear bag, and you know these clear bags are in style right now. The bags, the backpacks, crossbodies, the, what are they called? The fanny packs, all of those. So you see a lot of people with clear bags now. So here's this one. Very cheap, you know. I ain't gonna say cheap, but you know, bag that doesn't cost a lot. And this plastic is really thick plastic. So there you go. I was trying to see I was trying to see if I had something to put in here, but anyway, I just want to show you guys. And then here are the handles. Are just little things. But yeah, y'all, this is a really cute bag. This is Michael Kors. Cute. And once again, it's called the Michael bag. If it'll focus. If not, y'all know the routine. I'll put it. Oh, there you go. It's called the Michael bag. And I want to say you still can find this bag. I've seen it. I want to say I've seen it on Macy's recently. It was on there. But like always, you can check Poshmark, you know, Mercari, eBay, because eBay have everything, all the old bags. So you still should be able to find it. So there we go, you guys. If you have any questions, just let me know like always. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.